Welcome back to Living in Cape Coral. Dean here, and today we are in Northeast Cape Coral in the Bella Vida community. I will be showcasing a 2,000 square foot townhouse, 3 bedrooms with a den, 2.5 bathrooms. You guys gotta check this place out. It is a gated community, lots of amenities. Take a look at the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested in living in a community here in Cape Coral, give me a call today and let's discuss all your options. Thanks for watching.